Hi, my name is Sheila. I am a nurse practitioner and I'm one of the lymphedema specialists here. What I'm going to talk to you today about is the ICG imaging, which you're about to undergo. So just a brief overview, we're going to give a series of 6 injections. I'm going to do either 3 on your right hand, 3 on your left hand, or on your feet. And from there, what that imaging is going to tell us is it's going to let us know what the lymphatic channels look like as they go up the extremities. And from there, we can kind of help make a determination if you were going to be a surgical candidate, either through lymphovenous bypass or if we're going to be able to do a lymph node biopsy. So once the injections are completed, I will take pictures and then I will take videos at the 5-minute mark and then about 30 minutes later. So after the images are completed, Dr. Diane and I will review the case history, and we will make a determination what will be the best treatment course for you. And then we will have a follow-up appointment to discuss what your surgical options will be.